Hey, math lovers, I am here with a new mathematical problem. Most of the students do this in the way that 27 divided by 3 times 9 is also 27. So 27 divided by 27 is equal to 1. But it is wrong approach. Actually, this question can be carried out by PEMDAS principle. PEMDAS PEMDAS says that first of all we have to solve parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication and division both have same priority. But first of all we have to solve division because we have to move from left to right. So 27 divided by 3 is equal to 9 multiplied by 9. So 9 multiplied by 9 will be equal to 81, which is our answer. Thank you.